In this video, I'm looking at the Eksa E910 wireless gaming headset. So if you're looking for a video that will show you what it's like to have it and how to connect it to various devices, then you're in the right place, so stick around. Okay, so this is a quick unboxing of the Eksa E910 wireless gaming headset. So this is the box that it comes in. This is obviously the inner box. The outer box is upstairs, so we don't need to look at that because it's just a bigger box that it comes in. Here's all the features that it comes with the headset itself. So it's a 5.8 gigahertz wireless connection with the Bluetooth and 2.4 wireless connection. You've got low latency of about 15 milliseconds. It's wireless to about 15 meters, 10 hours of playback time, and it's got ENC, environmental noise cancellation. Obviously, it's got the 7.1 surround sound for better FPS game experience. So I'll show you how to set that up on the PC in a moment. But let's just look in the back here. You've got all the product parameters here on the side on the back here. If you want to see that, just pause it and just check it out. And on the side there, it's just got some more stuff. All right, so let's open the box. And obviously there's the box there, there's the bag that it comes in, there's the instructions and whatnot. Let's just put that down there for a minute. Let's get rid of the box, it's a bit too big. Let's get the headphones out. So this is a nice bag. Let's put the headphones down. This is a nice bag. It comes with the Eksa logo on the side. Pull the string to get it done up. Oh, it doesn't go all the way up. It doesn't pull it all together. But you know, it's a really nice sturdy bag and it'll keep all the dust off it. So let's get that down there. And before we go any further, let's just show you what we've got in the bag of goodies and treats and stuff. So there's instructions, we'll go and look at that in a minute. We've got a USB-C to USB connection, so it's got fast charging. That's what we like that. And there's a 3.5mm to 3.5 jack, which I'll explain about later on, and give that bag. And then this is the dongle. This is what we need to control, to put it in our devices so we control everything. All right, so headphones themselves. On the side, we've got the volume control there, and there's the mute button, and then there's the power button. And then that's where the USB-C goes into. And these are the sides, so it doesn't twist side to side, but you can do that. So it's quite stretchy, and the cushions are really nice and comfy, very, very firm. Well, they're firm but comfy, and they really do the job well. Nice and soft and firm. If it can be soft and firm, it is. But yeah, it does feel really good on your ears, even over glasses. I wear glasses, so it actually works on that as well. Microphone, ENC microphone, it pulls out. It does a good job. I mean, you can bend it all over the place and it stays in that position. Bend it and it stays, bend and it stays. Yeah, it's a good microphone. So let's drop that back in, and I'll do a voice recording with it now. So the next thing that you hear is my voice recording using this. So this is the sound quality through the headset microphone, the ENC microphone. I haven't edited it, so I have not made it sound differently or turn the volume up to make it sound any better. So this is the sound that you get straight from the headset microphone itself. Okay, and on the sides, this is a metal, so it's really sturdy. It's not going to go anywhere, and you can put it out pretty far. So if you've got quite a large head, you're good with this. The only thing I worry about is this little wire here. It feels not flimsy, but it just feels like it might tear off with a bit of harsh use. Just got to be careful. I mean, you know, it's a wire there. Just be careful with it. So on the top, you've got the let's turn it around so you can see it. On top, you've got the Eksa logo on the front there, and then you've got the headband on there, which is, yeah, it's not huge. It's not the biggest I've seen, but it's nice and soft and comfy and feels good on your head. And they're quite light headphones. They're not really heavy, so when you've got them on your head, it doesn't really feel like that you've got an awful lot on your head. All right, so let's just turn it on so you can see what it looks like on the side. So your long hold, power on. Okay, and then you can see on the sides, it lights up. It's very cool. I do like that. It does look really cool. So there's lots of voices telling you exactly what's going on, and you can hear it in your ears probably better. And okay, so let's just turn it off for a minute.
Power off.
Power off. Okay, so let's just put that down, and what we'll do is we'll go over to the computer now and I'll show you what you can do with it on the PC. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is the Eksa 7.1 surround sound app. So make sure you've got the dongle plugged in to your laptop or PC. Double click on the icon and it tells you the program is running. So we just pop down there and open that one, and here we go. This is the app that comes with it. You've got 3 different versions. You've got the surround sound, or the stereo sound, or the mic ENC. You can turn the ENC off or on. Stereo sound, you've got lots of different versions that you can choose from, or default ones, rock and roll. You've got the standard version, you've got deep bass, or you can customize yourself. Do the little plus there, brings up a new one, and you can just call it whatever you like there. Keep mode 1. And then you can manipulate the graphic equalizer to however you like it to be, then save it, and then off you go. Well, I'm not going to do that because I use the 7.1 surround, and you can change it to deep bass as well, FPS, MOBA, Eksa standard. Let's put it on FPS, MOBA looks good, deep bass. Yeah, I think I'll change that one. So you can customize it from there. Yeah, you can make a new one, so you can make it a bit bassy, and then let's have a bit of treble. But anyway, so you can do that, and if you press the play button on the side here, it cycles through all the speakers, and so if you've got the headphones on your head, you can actually hear where all the speakers are coming from, and this sounds really good. And then you can change this as you're doing it as well. Yes, you can. So that's cool. You can listen to where all the speakers come from, and you can set the equalizer exactly how you like it to be. So that's it. That's what you can do with the app. Now I'm going to talk to you about actually using the headphones themselves. Okay, so using the headset itself, it's very comfy on your head. You don't feel it too much on your head because it's quite soft and squishy in your ears and on your head. And the actual sound quality is good. It's quite heavy on the bass. But when you got it on the PC, you can obviously select the 7.1 surround, which sounds really nice. And especially when you're doing these games like the Call of Duty and driving games, you can really hear what is happening around you, and he can hear which direction things are coming from. It's really good, but there is a problem with the games consoles. I've got an Xbox One. I couldn't connect it with the dongle, so you connect the dongle straight into the Xbox and then turn your headset on. It doesn't work. You're not gonna get anything. It actually says on the instructions to connect it to your TV USB. Now this is the problem for me because my Samsung TV doesn't support the dongle. It doesn't support the data transmission. So I contacted Eksa, and they have informed me that they've tried it on Xiaomi TVs and it does work. But other TVs like Sony, TSL and LG and my Samsung TV, you have to do a different workaround, so therefore you have to plug the dongle into the USB port on the back of the TV or the side, wherever it is, and then use the 3.5mm jack and plug that straight into the audio port on the TV. So you can use the headset and it does sound quite good, but you can't use the microphone, which is a bit of a shame because it doesn't work very well as a wireless headset, because you want it to be able to do everything that you do with a normal headset on, well, like on my Xbox. I want to just plug it in and then crack on and start playing, but this one I can't. So I can use it on the PC and the microphone works okay, like you heard earlier because I had the demonstration, but I can't do it on the Xbox. I'm not sure how it works if it works on the PlayStation. I haven't got one, so I haven't been able to test it on that. But my experience on the Xbox, it doesn't work. But having said that, it is a very good headset and it does sound really good.